Welcome to the fourth video introducing you to the library's catalog and helping you get the most out of the library's resources. My name is Vincent. I'm on the circulation team here at the library. In this video, we're going to be talking about the third main entry point into the library's collections, which is this box right here, the EBSCO Discovery Service. As it's described, it's a combination search that includes books, ebooks, and journal articles. Use this box when you are, the most helpful way to use this box is when you are looking to discover books on a particular topic or by a particular author, but you don't necessarily know the exact name or you don't have a particular book in mind. So if you're looking for a theme or a topic for your or books on a particular topic for a research paper, this might be a good way to discover resources that'll be useful to you. So I'm going to do an example search here, and I'm going to search for books relating to Anglican theology and the Eucharist. So say that's my topic for a term paper, and I'm trying to find books that relate to that topic. So it's going to give me a result of, in this case, 123 books that have to do with Anglican theology and the Eucharist. So I did a relatively specific topic, but again, there are still 123 results. So you might want to, just like in the previous video, go on this left-hand bar and do some limiting factors. So you might want to limit to recent publications, full text only. You might want to limit to only ebooks, say you're off campus. You might want to limit to only books if you're on campus and you just want to look at books you can hold in your hand. There's all sorts of ways to limit it. So in our example here, we searched for Anglican theology and Eucharist, and it gave us a couple different results. This is a journal article, an ebook, an ebook, an ebook, an ebook. You see the pattern here. So say I want to read, I'm trying to find a good example for you. Say I want to read a scriptural theology of Eucharistic blessings. To do that, I'm going to search for this PDF full text button here. That's always what you want to click on. It's the easiest way to quickly read the book. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to take me to another page where I can start reading the book. By default, it'll open to the cover, and it's very large here. So I'm going to go down here and make it smaller. And on the left-hand side, you'll see the table of contents. So different chapters. So say I want to look at a survey of blessings, chapter 7. I would just click on that, and then it'll take me directly to chapter 7. You can just read it online here, and if you want to save pages for later use, you can click this button up here and do save pages. I'll have a later video tutorial on how to do that in depth coming soon. So that's an example of doing a search, going back to the catalog homepage here. That's a good example of doing a search to the EBSCO Discovery Service. So again, this is the box you want to use when you're trying to discover resources on a particular topic or theme. It's going to pull books, the results are going to pull books from the library's physical collections, the library's ebook collections, and the library's journal article collections. So it's kind of a combination of the VTS Library Catalog and the ATLA Religion Database, plus even more journals. It's a combination search, so it includes a lot of things all at once. So the best way to make sure that this search is useful, because it searches so much, is to be specific in your search. Because otherwise you'll get too many results and it'll be hard to go through. So remember to be specific here, and you'll get results that you're looking for.